Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log into Walmart Plus. In order to log into Walmart Plus, you'll first need to go visit a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website for Walmart. From the main homepage, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the account button. Now select sign in or create account and type in your email address associated with your Walmart account in the text box. Once you are done, click on continue. On the next page, it will prompt you to enter your password. You can also log in, requesting a verification code to sign in without your password. In order to do so, click on verification code option and then click on request verification code. This will then send you a verification email that is associated with your account. It will then send you a 6-digit verification code to your registered email. Go ahead and open your email inbox and look for a verification code you may receive. Once you receive it, type it down and click on sign in. If you've chosen password, you can type in your password and click on sign in. If prompted, you may also verify your phone number. Go ahead and do that and you will be signed into your Walmart account. Now go to the upper right corner and click on account button and click on Walmart Plus in order to get access to Walmart Plus. Walmart Plus is a subscription-based membership program offered by Walmart that provides various benefits and perks to its members. So that is how you can easily sign in to Walmart Plus. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.